The city is silent. Then the silence breaks. Gunfire echoes between buildings, windows shatter, footsteps pound concrete. This is not an open battlefield. This is urban combat. And this is why urban warfare training exists. Cities turn war into chaos. Streets become kill zones, rooftops become sniper nests. Every doorway hides uncertainty. In urban warfare, the enemy is always close, sometimes just a wall away. Urban warfare training begins with one rule: never move alone. Soldiers are trained to operate in tight teams. One watches the door, one covers the hallway, one watches above, one watches behind. In cities, threats come from every direction, including above and below. Room-clearing drills are brutal and repetitive. Soldiers practice entering buildings hundreds of times. Speed matters. Hesitation kills. The goal is not aggression, it is control. Corners are checked first. Hands stay steady. Voices stay low.
Urban warfare training teaches soldiers to read spaces instantly. Furniture becomes cover. Stairwells become traps. Windows become death zones. Every object in a city can either save your life or end it. Noise discipline is critical. Shouting gives away position. Footsteps echo. Metal clinks betray movement. Soldiers learn to communicate with hand signals, eye contact, and brief whispers. Live fire simulations raise the pressure. Explosions shake buildings. Smoke fills rooms. Vision drops to nothing. Soldiers must continue moving even when senses fail. Urban combat does not allow retreat. Once inside a building, escape routes disappear. Training teaches commitment. Once you enter, you finish the mission. Street movement is just as deadly. Crossing an open road is one of the most dangerous moments in city warfare. Snipers watch intersections. Vehicles block movement. Soldiers are trained to move fast, low, and unpredictably. Smoke is used. Cover is used. Timing is everything. Urban warfare training also focuses on civilians. Cities are not empty. Soldiers must identify threats without harming innocents. This pressure is constant. Split-second decisions define success or disaster. Training forces soldiers to process fear and restraint at the same time. Night training removes vision entirely. Artificial lights become targets. Soldiers learn to move in shadows. Silence becomes protection. One wrong step can expose the entire unit. Leadership is tested relentlessly. Junior leaders must make decisions instantly. Routes change. Plans collapse. Orders must adopt in seconds. Urban warfare training creates mental toughness more than physical strength. Soldiers learn to operate while confused, exhausted, and overwhelmed. Stress is the environment, not the obstacle. Medical training is integrated into combat drills. Wounded teammates must be evacuated through stairwells and narrow alleys. Carrying weight while under pressure tests coordination and trust. No one passes alone. Urban warfare training builds units, not heroes. Individual skill means nothing without coordination. One mistake puts everyone at risk. By the end of training, soldiers understand the truth. Cities do not favor the strong. They favor the prepared. Urban warfare training exists because modern wars are fought where people live, and survival in those spaces depends on discipline, teamwork, and training that leaves nothing to chance.